We serve the people. We are people power. And everybody that has a claim has to be listened to. To those that are claiming that having their complaints, we hear you. But again, I say to you that we don't take our claims and our complaints to social media because we are an institution. Therefore, I hereby constitute a committee to investigate this. This committee is going to be led by our Deputy President from Western Uganda, Mama Jolly Jacqueline Tukamshaba. She's a Muchiga, she doesn't play. On that committee, we shall also have the Deputy Secretary General, Honorable Aisha Kabanda. We shall have the Organizing Secretary, Dr. Kanabi Moses, and we shall also have our Legal Secretary, Comrade Eroto. Please, whoever has a complaint, I hereby call upon you, bring that complaint officially. Come and complain, you will be listened to. No voice will be silenced. But again, no propaganda will be tolerated at the same time. Please bring that complaint to the Deputy President or one of those leaders. We are going to give it a whole week. Bring those complaints and please bring some evidence with it. I was listening to the Secretary General sometime and I agree with him. Find any smart or creative way to get evidence. If somebody is trying to pick money from you or to demand for sex from you, especially the ladies, or any other favor, please record it. Find the evidence. I know we live in an era of AI. We can tell through lies. But we want evidence so that we deal with that once and for all. Please raise those complaints institutionally, not on social media. I must also mention that after the findings, there will be sanctions, and those sanctions will go up to disqualification of anybody that is found culpable. Those that are trying to cajole you, pick money from you, if it's found true, those that are trying to arm twist you, there will be sanctions. So those that are doing that will be punished. But even you, if you're found lying, you will also be punished because we must be transparent. The truth must prevail.